Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, WW friendly lasagna part 2. Before I did the sauce, I also failed to mention that I added 1 pound of BFR beef, ground beef. It's 85/15. So I put that into the sauce as well. Now I'm going to assemble this. First off, I'm going to tilt this down. I have boiled my rigatoni whole wheat noodles because I couldn't find lasagna noodles at 2 different grocery stores. So we're going to have lasagna with this kind of pasta, and that's okay with penne pasta. Anyway, I'm going to, I have boiled that just till al dente with a little bit of salt in the water. Let me pour that off and then start to assemble this. I'm going to spray the bottom of this pan with just a little bit of cooking spray just so it'll lift out easier. Maybe not be as hard to clean up. We love that. I'm going to mix 1 egg. I'm just going to give that a quick whip. And I'm going to mix that with 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and 15 ounces of skim ricotta. Low fat, part skim ricotta cheese, okay? So I'm going to use my cup measure here, and I'm going to put just shy of 2 cups. Because 2 cups is 16 ounces, and we need 15. So that's 1. And here's 2. All right, just shy of 2. There we go. Let me give that a mix. And then we can put this lasagna together. Now, I'll repeat that for y'all. If you didn't get tuned in earlier, you can write this down. This has 9 points per serving. There's 12 servings, and I'm going to bake it covered in foil on 375 for 45 minutes, and then let it stand for 15. I sauteed 1.5 cups of onion, chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I added 1 pound of lean ground beef. I added 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I added 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then the spices were 1/4 cup of parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, and 1/2 cup of basil, chopped basil. And I put that together with all the sauces with 4 ounces of red wine. And that was the sauce. So let's put that together. I'm going to grab a spoon for the noodles. I'm going to start with a layer of the meat sauce on the bottom in my 13 by 9 inch pan. Cover that. Okay. I'm going to add a layer of the cheese. I'm going to do half because I'm going to try to get 2 layers out of this. And then I'm going to put half of the pasta. Again, the recipe called for whole wheat lasagna noodles, which I could not find. So I have resorted to these this penne pasta, which will be fine. Pasta tastes the same, it's just the shape. Okay, let's do 1 more layer. Lord, this thing's gonna be full. I'll take a a little bit of that out. I'm afraid I'm gonna run it over. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the other layer of cheese mixture. And then I'm gonna squeeze all of the rest of the noodles that I can. And I'm not gonna tell my guys that this is a WW recipe. I'm just gonna tell them it's lasagna and be done with it. I think that's about all this dish can handle. Now I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil and put it into a 375-degree oven. And I will show y'all a picture when it comes out. It's gonna bake for 45 minutes on 375. That's what I'm putting together for dinner tonight with a salad. It'll be great. And I hope y'all enjoyed that and that you'll give it a try. See y'all.